Welcome to the demonstration of restaurant management system. The system helps to efficiently handle and manage various activities of a restaurant. It does this by automating all the activities of the restaurant. So the system allows to even book tables, and the customer can even view details about the same. So let's have a look into the system. The first one is admin module. So let's log in into the admin module. Here, as soon as the admin logs in into the system, it can view all the customer information, those who have booked the table. And so the next is view booking. Here the customer can even view the table number and the number of tables that is being booked, and if the admin want to approve the order, so it just have to click on yes. So that means the order is being placed. That means the table is being booked. So the second option is view bookings. Here the admin just needs to enter the booking ID which he wants to search. Then just click on search here. Then the admin will be able to view the details of that particular customer. Here you can see, and even the date and time on which the customer have booked the table, and the number of tables booked, that is 2, and the tables, that is the table number that is booked, is 1 and 3. So this is all about the admin module. Let's go to the customer module. Here if the customer is not registered, so just click on register, and here you can register by filling the following information. Contact number, then address, the ID, so 102 I want to keep, and then password, I'm giving same as my name. Click on submit. So the user is being registered. Now you can log in. Click on login. Showing invalid username or password. So these are the options available for a customer. As soon as the customer logs into the system, it can view all his details. The next one is the book table module. Here the starting information is being fetched, and here you just need to enter the date. This, and suppose the number of tables that you want to book is 2. Click on search, and say you want to book table number 1 and table number say 3. So if you go on selecting the third table, here this will show an error message specifying that you have selected more number of tables than you have specified. So if you want to select table number 2, just click on deselect table number 3 and select table number 2. So once you're done with booking the tables, just click on book. So your data will be inserted in into the database, and you can see over here the tables that you have booked, that is table number 1 and 2 is turned red, that is you cannot book this table from next time you log into the system. So here it will show an error message that you have selected wrong table. That means the table that you have already booked. And the next one is check status. Here if you want to check status, you just need to enter the booking ID and then just click on check. So just click on check, and here you can see that your order is being approved and all the information that you have filled, and even the number of tables that you have booked, that is 2, and the table number, that is 1 and 3. So this is all about how the system works. Thank you.